So you're going to need conditioner of your choice, which is totally optional, olive oil, rose petals powder, aloe vera, brahmi, filtered water, that's just so you can get your desired consistency, and essential oils as well. And that's also an option. All right, so the first thing is we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of our favorite conditioner. And today I'm using Rose Pillow. And this is a phytotherapeutic natural treatment. And it is an innovative formula that provides extracts and 100% natural acids necessary for a healthy hair, avoiding excessive flaking, and adding nutrients to return health, beauty, vitality, flexibility, and softness to the hair. And I love this stuff. So we're going to use a 1/4 cup of Rose Pillow, which means grow hair. Okay, that's about a 1/4 cup. All right. Next, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use the olive oil of your choice. I just got this big bad boy off of Amazon. So we're just going to do 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'll have the actual recipe listed in the description below. So 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 and 2. Very nice. Then we're going to need 3 teaspoons of aloe vera. So here's my aloe vera powder. You can get any kind you want. This is also off of Amazon. This is by Tomatic Organics. I try to get the organic ones because I don't want any extra metals or anything going on. So 3 teaspoons of aloe vera. All right. Next, we want to do 2 teaspoons of rose petal powder. And rose petal powder increases your blood flow to your hair follicles, and it encourages hair growth, and it reduces hair fall, and it regulates oil production, restores damaged hair, and balances the pH, promotes a healthy scalp, hydrates, and creates shine. So we want 2 tablespoons of this goodness. And it also smells good, I might add. I love rose. And then the aloe vera is moisturizing, soothes irritation, and promotes healthy hair growth and fatty acids and antioxidants. Now we're going to do a tablespoon of brahmi. And this brahmi I also got off of Amazon. And it strengthens hair from the roots, makes hair more dense, long, shiny, and dark tone, controls dandruff, reduces premature graying, reduces the amount of hair loss, great for scalp health, and it treats eczema and psoriasis. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon of brahmi. Like that. There, this is good enough. Okay. So aside from the conditioner that's optional, here are our next optional ingredients, which is essential oil. We're going to use some peppermint oil. So we're going to do 5 drops of the peppermint oil. All right. One, two, three, 4, 5. I'm just wildly shaking this in here. And then we're going to do 5 drops of the rosemary. So the peppermint oil promotes circulation, it stimulates your hair growth, reduces dandruff and inflammation, and it's cooling and soothing. And the rosemary, it stimulates hair follicles, it improves blood circulation of the scalp, which also can promote hair growth. And it's also can increase thickness and reduce hair loss. And then we're going to do 5 drops of lemongrass. And this can potentially reduce dandruff, promotes hair growth, soothes an itchy or dry scalp due to its antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. And I love the smell of this as well. And I got these from Amazon, the lemongrass and peppermint oil from the Cliganic oils, essential oils. And then I got the rosemary from Hennessyk, who's also here on YouTube, and she's wonderful because that's where I started my whole Ayurvedic hair journey during COVID times, and I love doing it. All right, and then we have our water that I'm going to pull out in just a moment. So first of all, let's mix this up, and then we'll see how much water we need to add to make it the consistency that we will like. And it smells so good. Pepperminty. Ooh, yes. All right, so let's put in our water. It's gonna put in like, I don't know, let's put in a tablespoon and see what happens. I think that's a good mask consistency. It's creamy. It's not too thin, so that's going to run down your scalp. And it's also not too thick. It's spreadable. So 1 tablespoon of water was the trick. All right. So there we have it. Look at that. If you want to make it even more loose, you can put more water in it. But I think this is good. This is a good mask. This is enough for my hair if you need more than just double the recipe. But I would use this every 2 weeks, and then in between we'll do a moisturizing mask to balance it. And I will be back next week with a moisturizing mask that you can use in between using this hair growing and thickening hair mask. So thank you so much for tuning in, and join me on Instagram, and I'm also on TikTok. Please subscribe and like and share. That would help me grow my channel, because I love doing this so much and I love sharing my hair recipes.